There's Watkins Glen Wine and Spirits. We'll zoom in.
Give them a little bit of encouragement down here to the finish line.
Back over here at the start, you guys. Back over here at the start, we have the Marcus Whitman Wildcats, our bunch of engineering students. Marcus Whitman Wildcats, also Black Jack. Black Jack are getting set to go.
And here they go. And these young men and girls are just flying along. Dave Shuey, Mr. Shuey as he likes to be called, engineered this boat, and it looks as though he did a wonderful, wonderful job here in Watkins Glen Cardboard Boat Regatta. And they are in the lead, and they are moving right along with ease. Uh-oh, here comes Blackjack. Open container.
And almost there, we have like 6 or 7 young kids in this boat.
Very, very good. They are moving along. They have to be proud of what they built there. They spent a lot of time on that boat. The duct tape was offered.
These kids are pretty smart, knowing that they have guns in that boat. Some of them go to the front. As soon as the front goes down, they go back to the middle of the boat.